is officially 1 year since our ambient lighting kit has launched for the Ram 1500. I'll be showing you guys what the system looks like after 1 year, if it still works or not, if you're on the fence about purchasing, or if you've already purchased it and you've got FAQs or you've got a bunch of questions unanswered. We'll go through it in this video. Thank you to everyone who's purchased the product. We appreciate your support. And to all new customers that are on the fence about purchasing this product, you can email us at info@weekendgarage.com if you have any questions prior to purchasing, or you can see this video and our product will speak for itself. And we're coming out with new and cooler products for the Ram community. As you know, there's not much going on besides intakes, wheels, and exhaust, which is very boring. As you know, these vehicles without the ambient lighting kit, look something like this. It looks dead and out of life. So with us bringing this on this platform, it comes alive in the interior all throughout. It makes it more enjoyable when you're driving around. So this kit has been installed in our vehicle since November of 2023. So the only part that's scratched and damaged after a year and a half of use is right here. If it's picking up on camera, this dot right here. One of my passengers had a watch on and they scratched the tip of the light, which is why it looks like that, but that can either be fixed or replaced. So it's officially been a year since it's been on every single day, running through all the different modes. This is a daily driver for our shop. So there's been no days off for this lighting kit. It's been in extreme cold weathers, the baking hot summers in the sun. So first of all, let's talk about our most common item, which is the base custom ambient lighting kit. What it includes is a door strip for every single door, a door handle light for all 4 doors, and the drink holder light down here for all 4 doors. What you see on the additional ambient lighting is a light over here, which is for the storage area. Not everyone likes these lights, so we tend to tone it down so it's easier to install for a majority of our customers. The more you have on the system, the more wiring and the more confusion for a lot of the customers. If you're interested in the light right here, that's for the storage area. It is on our website called the additional ambient light, and you can choose to wire it yourself with the included crimps and wiring, or you can opt for a quick disconnect, which will be included for every single light, so you can do plug and play. If you want to wire it yourself, you can go with option 1, or if you want to do quick disconnect, option 2. So our products come with a 1-year manufacturer defect. If there's any issues, email us at info@weekendgarage.com and we'll get you sorted. So this hardwired button down here below the radio is where we control the brightness and the color. So if we were to press the right side, it's hidden away that you can't even see even in the daytime. So if we turn on the light, you don't even know there's a button down here. So if we press the right side, that's going to select through 10 different brightnesses. So it's going to jump from increments of 10%. So 1, it turns everything off. If we do 1 click, that's 10%. So 10 clicks will bring it back up to 100%, which is what you're seeing right now. And the left button is the mode switch or the color switch. So we can cycle through all the colors that you guys have seen, but we can cycle through it quickly here. I like to keep it on a solid color because when I'm driving around, I ain't trying to see it like this. It ain't a circus in here, so I like to keep mine on a solid color. But to each their own, everyone's taste is different. And some people with the Android box, with that connected to your screen, you can actually connect to the app from your screen. So you can control your interior ambient lighting from your display here. If you have that Android box, I found it to be glitchy, so I never really utilized it for my vehicle, but I have tried multiple brands. So just a high level overview of the system. How it works is we have a master controller, which is located behind the center console. And then we have 4 slave controllers, which are located on every door. So it communicates wirelessly. So you ain't have to run a home run of cables from every door back to the controller. All we do is gain power from the window control module and the Fuse F65 here, and it communicates wirelessly every time without delay. So for example, if I was to turn off the truck, you'll see all these lights turn off, and if I was to turn on the truck, you'll see it all synchronize and turn on at the same time. This makes it easy to install and easy to service. So if you do have an issue with one of the controllers, you can just hot swap it and then it'll come back to life. So these lights are reliable, easy to install, and they look amazing as you guys can see in the video. So a lot of our customers will operate the kit with the hardwired button installed under the screen. However, if you install our phone application, as you can see, we can change it on the fly to any color you want and any combination you want. Just like so, if you want to change it to a single color with it being green, and we'll have zone 2 be blue. You can do it on the phone, and we can also increase the brightness of the two or reduce the brightness for the zone 2 and increase it for the zone 1, or vice versa. Turn off the zone 1 lighting and turn on the zone 2. It's fully customizable. You can change it to any color you want, any brightness you want, separate from each other. And it can be all done through the phone app, which is easy to use and intuitive. It is available for Android devices and iPhone, and it's included with every purchase in a scannable QR code with your kit. So a very common question we get asked all the time is that, will this kit work for the 4th gen 1500s or the 2500s that are 2019 plus or 3500s? And the answer is yes, but it depends on the trim you have. Since there's so many different trims for each different year, if you send us an email first, linked right here, we will be able to let you know if the kit will be compatible for your vehicle. Most of the time it will be, but there's just some differences in those vehicles. For example, the 2500s and 3500 heavy duties, you'll be getting the power from the cigarette lighter on the console, which follows the ignition on your vehicle, instead of the fuse box located in our 5th gen 2019 plus Rams, and just a little changes throughout the vehicle, which we'll provide you with information with if you purchase the kit from. So if you guys are thinking of getting more strips in different locations for your vehicles, like having a strip down here, or a dual strip setup in the center console, or even strips along the sunroof and such, these are available separately on our website as well. You can check it out. If you guys have any questions for a major build, you can email us directly and we can guide you in the right direction. All right, everyone, make sure you like and subscribe to this video because we got a pretty cool product that we're dropping this month. So anyways, thank you for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful day.